Hey guys, this is a step-by-step video of our new Excelsior wheel. What this video will show you how to do is to change over the wheel from Scotch tension to Irish tension in the same video. So let's get started. Basically, all you have to do is remove the front drive band while set up as Scotch. Remove the tension string off of the bobbin. Once that is done, you'll notice these leather straps on front. They're loose enough just to pivot down and out of the way. And you can do so in the back as well. So once that happens, then all you have to do is just take the flyer assembly off. Set the flyer assembly aside and simply take this wrench, and you'll notice here this disc. Just loosen it up ever so slightly. Turn the disc to where it's now a backstop. Okay. And then take the wheel and turn it around. Once you've done this, remember to keep those leather straps out of your way. Once you've done this, then take the disc on the Irish side, loosen it up ever so slightly, rotate it up. These do have a stop built into them, so you can't over rotate it. So once that happens, snug it back up, pivot your leather strap down and out of the way, take your flyer assembly, simply drop it back in place, okay, and then take the leather strap on the back, rotate it up, take the leather strap on the front, rotate it up. Now that this is done, all you have to do is take your drive band and put it on the bobbin and put it on the motor pulley, and you're all set up and ready to go. So now this is set up for Irish. Okay, so now let's go back the other way. Okay, now that we've done this, we're going to do the same thing again. Rotate the leather strap in front down, the leather strap in back, rotate it down, remove the drive band. Once that is done, simply take the flyer assembly off. And now we're going to rotate this back for the Scotch setup. Snug it back down. Rotate the wheel around. Now that I've done this, I will rotate this one up. Snug it back up. Set the wrench aside. Leather strap down, flyer assembly on, leather strap up. One thing that you do need to be mindful of here is when you rotate this leather strap back up, make sure it's loose enough to where it does not interfere with the spin of the flyer. All right? So really it's just there as a keeper while using the wheel. All right. Now that that's done, I've rotated the front strap back up, and now I'm going to take and put the drive band back on, the flyer assembly for Scotch tension. There we are. Okay. Now I'm going to take the tension string and put it up and over the bobbin. Now you'll notice now it's set up for Scotch tension. And there we are. So there is one quick thing that I do want to let everyone know and that you notice here is that when you hook up your whisper controller, power goes in the bottom from the wall transformer and power from the top goes into the spinner. Now you'll notice this directional switch. The directional switch is primarily set up for spinning in clockwise direction while you're set up with Scotch, okay? When you flip the wheel around, the direction of the wheel then will be counterclockwise. So if you want to spin with the Irish setup, and if you want it to turn clockwise, then you need to put this switch in the right hand position, which says CCW. So, and the reason why that is so is because the motor is set up in one direction only and is primarily for the ease of use while spinning Scotch. So, one thing that I would like to point out, and this is my favorite part of it, is when I'm spinning clockwise in Scotch, I usually want to ply my materials and my fiber in an Irish setup. It's just it's just what I've done for years and years and years. And we have some companies that spin commercially that are sold at your big box stores that do the same. So they've used our Gen 1 Vesperas for almost 12 years now, and they do like to ply in an Irish setup. So when that happens, make a long story short, I'm spinning Scotch setup, right hand clockwise. Okay, now I want to switch over and start plying. I simply turn the wheel around, set it up for Irish. I leave the switch in the clockwise position and set up to spin in Irish, and I'm spinning in applying motion counterclockwise in this setup. I don't have to touch the switch at all. So I hope this is informative, and please watch it before you try to spin. And if you have any questions, please just feel free to call us or drop us a line on our Facebook group, or simply email us. We always like to hear from you. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I do hope you enjoy your wheel. This is one of our pride and joys of our spinning fleet. So take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.